Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to dive into a topic that affects all of us. Yes, electricity bills. If you are tired of those hefty bills hitting your mailbox every month, then this video is for you. We'll discuss how you can reduce your electricity bill by a whopping 90%. So, make sure to stick around till the end and discover the secrets to escaping the electricity bill scam. Did you know that electricity consumption in India has tripled since the early 2000s? Coupled with tariff inflation of 6.6%, it's no wonder our bills have skyrocketed in the last decade. It's almost ironic that we, as the supposedly smartest species on Earth, are paying for resources like land, water, and electricity that are naturally available to us. But don't worry, today we are going to break free from this cycle and take matters into our own hands. So, let's start by understanding how our electricity bills are calculated. It's simple math, really. Your final bill is the number of units you consume multiplied by the cost per unit. In most states, the more units you consume, the higher the tariff slab you're bumped into. It's similar to income tax brackets. But don't worry, we have a plan to turn this around. Imagine a world where we generate electricity from a massive solar power plant. According to reports, the entire world's electricity demands can be met by setting up a solar power plant of about 500,000 square kilometers, roughly the size of Spain. It's mind-boggling. But since we can't change the world overnight, let's focus on how you can benefit personally from solar power. Introducing rooftop solar systems, the game changer. These systems harness the sun's radiation and convert it into clean electricity. And the best part? They can drastically reduce your electricity bill. There are 3 types of rooftop solar systems available: on-grid, off-grid, and hybrid. Today, we'll focus on the on-grid system, which is not only the most economical but also doesn't require much space to set up. Now, you might be thinking, how much will this cost me? Well, the good news is that the government provides subsidies on solar panels, making them more affordable. The cost of a 1 kilowatt panel ranges from 60,000 to 1 lakh rupees. And guess what? These panels have a life expectancy of 20 to 25 years. So, think of it as a long-term investment. But how many panels do you actually need? It depends on the area available to you, the units you consume, and the highest tariff rate in your state. You can calculate this using a tool I've linked in the video description. Let's say, for example, you currently pay 4,500 rupees per month for electricity. By installing 4 kilowatt-hour panels, you could reduce your bill by 90%, slashing it down to just a fraction of what you used to pay. Now, let's talk about subsidies. The government offers subsidies for on-grid solar systems, with a maximum allowance of 10 panels. The first 3 kilowatt-hour panels receive a subsidy, reducing the cost even further. So, make sure to take advantage of these opportunities. Another crucial aspect is net metering. Under the on-grid system, electricity bills are calculated using net metering. This means you only pay for the net amount of electricity you consume after deducting the units you export back to the grid. So, focus on optimizing the units at the highest tariff rates to maximize your savings. Now, I know this might seem overwhelming, but the process is actually quite straightforward. Here are the steps to follow. First, register on the National Solar Rooftop portal at solarrooftop.gov.in. Second, log in with your credentials and apply for a rooftop solar system. Third, wait for the feasibility report from your local electricity distribution company. Once approved, next hire an approved vendor to install your solar system. After installation, submit your system details to the local grid and apply for a net meter. Once the final inspection is done, you'll receive a commissioning certificate. Next, provide your bank details, and within 30 working days, you'll receive the subsidy on solar panels. If you're not sure where to start, companies like Tata Solar and Loom Solar provide these services. Feel free to explore your options and choose the one that suits you best. So, there you have it. By embracing solar power and installing rooftop solar systems, you can reduce your electricity bill by a staggering 90%. Imagine the savings you'll enjoy in the long run. And not only will you save money, but you'll also contribute to a cleaner and greener environment. If any of you have already installed solar panels, I'd love to hear about your experiences in the comments section below. Let's help each other on this journey toward energy independence. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please smash that like button and subscribe to my channel for more valuable content. Remember, the power to reduce your electricity bill is in your hands. Stay tuned for the next video, and until then, take care and keep saving.